Local says Banaras means Bane Banaye Sare Ras, a place where there is something for everyone. I have been here many times, but this time it was different. We truly lived the local life. And this time we were here with 10 fellows from Local Narratives Fellowship. Together we learned, we connected, we discovered something for everyone. We talked with all the locals of Banaras, and together with them, we crafted 8 unique local experiences which can generate livelihood for these locals, and travelers and students from India and across the globe will get access to these local experiences from our Local Narratives platform. Now you can live the life of boatman and learn what happened beyond the Ghat of Banaras with Ratanji, a boatman from riverfront. Go offbeat boating with him or join him for evening boat aarti. This experience lasts for 2 hours, suited for a group of 6 or more, happening between 5 to 7 pm in the evening. For those who are curious about how boats are made, you can book the boat making experience with Gopi Bhaiya, brother of Ratanji and master boat craftsman. This is 2 to 3 day long experience where you shadow him in boat making, and this is happening between October till March. If you love art, book the wooden toy making and painting experience with Lakshmi Narayan ji, a craftsman who have been making wooden toys for more than 30 years now. Make a toy and take it home. How cute this experience is. And this is meaningful because by just booking this 2 to 3 hour long travel experience with Lakshmi Narayan ji, you will be giving him opportunity to share his art with you and also earn a little by hosting you. Interested in textile? Book the Banarsi Sari weaving experience with Samar, an auto driver and passionate weaver along with his fellow artisans. This is 1 hour long experience which include visiting a weaving workshop, interacting with the weavers, and then lead to a shop where you can buy authentic Banarsi handloom saris. Did you know Tulsi Das, who wrote Ramayana, also trained in Kushti, Indian wrestling, to defend himself from bullies? Learn the art of Kushti from Gauri Pahalwan, a master wrestler. By booking this, you are contributing to the local akhada for its maintenance. Go deeper into the lanes of Banaras with student-run initiative Safar Anubhav. These are a BHU student who are studying tourism, and they have their own little startup where they take you through the ghats, temples and history of Banaras through the heritage walk, which lasts 2 to 3 hours in the evening. Want to explore Banaras mystical side? Join a Shakti walk led by tourism researcher and student from BHU, where you will learn about mantra, about Manikarnika Ghat. And this experience happened in the night. And this is the one of the most thrilling and adventurous experience I have ever been. Are you interested in Jhali work? This is a Jhali work where artisans from Ramnagara village will take you in a journey of making Jhali art. This experience is connected by Deepmala ji, a social worker from Chaitanya Foundation. So these are 8 different local experiences, and by joining this as a traveler, you will be giving opportunity and creating livelihood in these locals' life by just giving platform for them to host you. And as a global traveler, as a global student, you will be learning so much from them. This is where you actually make impact by being part of these journeys. And these journeys were only possible because of our 10 fellows. I would like to thank them all to be part of this journey. They curated this along with our locals, who are Gopi Bhaiya, Ratanji, Lakshmi Narayan ji, Gauri Pahalwan, Samar and Deepmala ji, and our local youth Anushka from BHU and Indraneel from BHU. Everyone have put in energy in curating these experiences for you, and we can't wait to host you on these immersive local experiences.